Before the Nashville Sounds could take the field and the Tennessee Army National Guard could post the colors at Greer Stadium on the Army's 237th birthday, the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Nashville District Deputy Commander had to deliver what many at the game described as major heat with the game's first pitch.
I'm honored to represent the U.S. Army and the Nashville District by throwing out the first pitch at the Sounds game tonight. I think it's an incredible honor. Representing those who can't be at a baseball game tonight, can't be at a sporting event, can't be with their family.
The Major admitted afterward that the catcher said he hopes he throws hand grenades better than he does a baseball. Nevertheless, the Major said it was his best effort given the fact he never pitched in the Little Leagues growing up.
Always on the other side of the plate. When I was a player, I was always the catcher, very rarely the pitcher.
This is Lee Roberts reporting from Greer Stadium in Nashville, Tennessee.